Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Wrike for project collaboration. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using Wrike for project collaboration, start by creating your account on the Wrike website. Once you have signed up, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the Projects tab on the left sidebar. Click on Create Project to set up a new project. Enter the project name and description in the provided fields. Choose a template if applicable, or start from scratch. Set the project start and end dates. Next, invite team members by clicking the Share button. Enter their email addresses to send invitations. Once your team members have accepted, assign roles based on their responsibilities. Now, create tasks by clicking the Add Task button within your project. Fill in the task name and description. Set due dates and attach any relevant files. Assign tasks to specific team members by selecting their names from the drop-down menu. To ensure effective communication, use the comment section under each task. This allows team members to discuss progress and ask questions. Utilize the Gantt chart feature to visually plan your project timeline. Adjust task durations and dependencies by dragging and dropping. For regular updates, use the status feature to track progress on each task. Encourage your team to mark tasks as complete as they finish them. Monitor overall project progress through the dashboard overview. Use Wrike's reporting tools to generate insights on project performance. Finally, hold regular check-ins with your team to discuss challenges and celebrate milestones. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to effective project collaboration using Wrike. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.